Hi, I'm MarqueeCrew, curator of the Crew macros available at chaosreignswithin.com, and thank you very much for subscribing to this channel. The expect equals macro is a test macro, and hopefully it will help you to ensure that your workflow is producing the correct results. So with the expect equals, you take a look at two sets of data, an expected and an actual set of data, and if there's an inequality, you'll be able to see where that inequality starts and what was expected and what was actually output. So I've got here a CReW macro that's ready to go. We're going to look at some customers' expected CSV data, run through some actual data, go through a transformation, and see what happens. The macro itself requires 0 configuration, and when we play or run this macro, we see that it runs without issue. So it runs quickly and everything is working. Now, what if the data doesn't come through and work just so pleasantly? We've got this data and we've got a different set of functions that are being called here, and things aren't equal. We're seeing the way that the data appears is not right, and one or more errors showed up. That's the expect equals macro in a nutshell. A nominal use case for this is Alteryx Community Weekly Challenges. If you want to compare your results with what is expected of the weekly challenge, you can do this that quickly.